world is going.
Si Jay, wait lang. They're giving a part na second chance. Ano, kinakabahan ba? Bakit?
Kalimutan niya yung lyrics.
Hindi uso yun eh. So, natural yan siya. Kasi paano, halimbawa, nakapasok ka for captain. Eh, syempre, show na tayo.
Kaya magpakla, dami sila sa atin.
Oo, paano yan?
Dapat hindi mo papahalagan kanina.
Oo. Kagaya ni kanina, I thought magkamali siya, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. So, okay, so bibigyan ka namin second chance.
Okay. Ang dami niyang alam na kanta eh. Keshi! Ang daming alam, yung pakinuntan, hindi niya kapisado. Sino ba nagsabi niya katay niya? Ikaw no?
In your eyes I know I'll find the light to light my way when I'm scared, losing ground, when my world is going crazy. You can't count it all around, and when I'm around you there pushing me to the top. You're always there giving me all you got. For a shield from the storm, for a friend, for the love to keep me safe and warm.
May mataas yan, eh. Kaya ba naman?
To you, for a friend, to be strong, for the will to carry on, for everything you do, for everything that's true, I turn to you, yeah. When I lose the way to win, I'll just reach for you and I can reach the sky again. I can do it. Anything, 'cause your love is so amazing, 'cause your love inspires me. And when I need a friend, you're always on my side, giving me faith, taking me through the night. For a shield from the storm, for a love to keep me safe and warm, yeah. I turn to you, yeah, for strength, for the will to carry on, for everything you do, I turn to you, yeah. Oh, for the arms to be my shelter through the rain, for the truth that will never change, for someone to love, for a heart I can rely on to anything, for the one who I can run to, just like you, for the love to give me safe and warm. I turn to you, yeah, for the strength, for the will to carry on. Everything you do, that's true. For everything you do, for everything that's true, I turn to you, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, wag ka muna na say, may sasabihin sila sa'yo. Jan.
Yun, yung kay Idol, hindi talaga siya spirit show lang or
Oo, hindi siya yung amateur. Yung gano'n.
Diba, bro? Parang marami siya.
Ayan. So, one thing na idol talaga, guys, kung ano ang pagkakalam nyo, based on genre tayo. Let's say rockstar, ano ka, OPM idol, something gano'n. Basta yung nasa kung ano yung talagang kinakanta mo. Yan. For now naman, I think na okay naman yung sa pangalawang tugtog. Yan. So,
Pero
may
medyo
ba?
ingat tayo sa mga kulot-kulot natin. Kung hindi tayo sure, huwag na natin kulutin.
Paano ba? Straight, diba? Okay. So, thank you, Lisa Ian.
Thank you din po.